Alright, let's get started on this super crispy shrimp recipe. To begin, we'll prep our green onions and red peppers by chopping them up real fine. Next, we'll create a flavorful batter by combining flour, our chopped veggies, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then we'll coat our shrimp in this seasoned batter, making sure every bit is covered. To give it that extra crunch, we'll roll the shrimp in breadcrumbs before frying. Heat up some oil in a frying pan. Once it all is hot, carefully drop in the shrimp. Fry for 5 to 6 minutes until the shrimp turn a beautiful golden brown. Take the crispy shrimp out and let the excess all drip off. And there you have it. Super crispy shrimp that's perfect with a spicy dipping sauce. The crunch is absolutely amazing. This recipe is so easy. You can make it at home in no time. You have to try this. You have to listen to this. This is very crunchy and very nice shrimp. For more delicious recipes, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment below.